But, I know some people also may not have a university available in the regions that they live in. Again, we have a very global community. But yeah, overall, I do agree with that sentiment that you should try to get it from the best institution you can, no matter, what it may be. But thanks for helping out there, Ed. So Leonardo writes, public data sets are available for projects on Kaggle. Whoever asked about quantum data. Now, are they actually making like real data available on there? I thought some of their stuff was synthetic, isn't it? So if anybody knows that answer, let me know. I was under the impression that the previous question was asking about, some very specific data sets. I'm not sure if the Kaggle stuff is like, like pure data from those sources. I believe that they do some augmentation, enrichment, synthetic stuff, but somebody else would know better than me. So I am Zubayd says thank you. Well, great, and glad that we could help you. Both myself and the chat.